Okay, this is looking at representations. I have playing cards here to represent hundreds. I've got Jenga blocks to represent tens, and I've got just little Connect 4 counters to represent the ones. You can use absolutely anything that you find around your house. You could use tins of beans to represent the hundreds. You could use socks for the tens. You could use pasta for the ones. It's entirely what you have available to use. Okay, so to represent, so you could write down the number for your child first of all, or you can get them to agree what the representations are valued at, and then create one and see if they can tell you the number, the value afterwards. So I'm going to start off with having a representation out and then writing the quantity as a digit form. Okay, so we've got 100, 200, 300, 400. So we've got 400, and we've got 10, 20, and very quickly I can see a subitizing pattern there of number pattern of 5. So I know that I've got 5 ones. Okay, now if you get your child to add these together, 425. So we can actually put the equal sign there. 425 and 425. So this is what we call, this part here, this is what we call partitioning, and then we're recombining it back together over here. Okay, we'll try another one. Okay, if I add on, maybe I'm going to take away 100 this time. I will add some tens. And I'll maybe take some away here. Okay, so now obviously my numbers are going to change. So let's see what we've got now. We have got 100, 200, 300. So we've got 300 plus how many tens? 10, 20, 30, 40 this time. We've got 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones? We have got 3. So add 3 is equal to 343. You just see that there at the end. 343. Okay. So use these materials that you have sitting around the house. They will help the child to visualize the numbers that they're using a little bit better. Another way you can do it, okay, so if you start off with the number, you could have 452. So if that's the number, you can show your child to partition it this way, which we do in class as well. So 400 plus 50 plus 2. Okay, and that's just showing them that you're partitioning out into the place value holders. What does 4 represent? 4 represents 400, 5 represents 50, and 2 represents 2 ones. So again, using the language of hundreds, tens, and ones, making sure that they know that and they're secure with that. You could also say to them, can you add on 2 more hundreds? So they would have to change their 4 to a 6, because 600. Okay, and they would have to change that value there. Okay. You could give them another one. You could ask them to do it the other way as well. You could ask them to have 300 plus 80 plus 7. What's my number? You could get them 3, 8, 7. 387. Whatever way they feel comfortable is the same strategy, your partitions here and you're recombining. Or you can do it the other way around. It's up to you. Okay.